Why European trucks are different. First, European trucking conditions explained. European routes mix highways, mountains, cities, and strict regulations. Trucks must handle long distances while staying fully EU compliant. Second, driver comfort and safety. Comfort keeps drivers alert and focused. Better seating, climate control, and low noise reduce fatigue and accidents. Third, truck cabin equals living space. For long-haul drivers, the cabin is home. Space, bed quality, and storage matter as much as performance. Fourth, expected safety systems. European trucks must include braking assist, lane support, and stability systems to protect drivers and road users. Fifth, engine performance for Europe. European driving needs smooth torque and reliability. Consistent performance matters more than high horsepower. Sixth, fuel efficiency matters most. Fuel is the highest cost. Efficient engines and aerodynamics save thousands each year. Seventh, maintenance and reliability. Breakdowns cost time and money. Reliable trucks with easy maintenance reduce downtime. Eighth, driver support technology. Good tech helps, not distracts. Smart cruise control and fatigue alerts improve driving safety. Ninth, right truck for the job. Different jobs need different trucks. The right setup improves efficiency and driver satisfaction. 10th, what drivers care about. Drivers look at comfort, truck condition, routes, and employer reliability. Not just pay. 11th, legal compliance in Europe. Strict EU rules cover driving hours, safety, and emissions. Compliance avoids fines and bans. 12th, professional image. Clean, modern trucks show professionalism. Well-kept fleets earn trust on European roads. 13th, why choosing the right truck is so important in Europe. The right truck ensures safety, lowers costs, meets EU rules, and keeps drivers satisfied. 14th, smart truck buying for fleet owners. Choosing the right trucks helps fleet owners reduce operating costs, improve efficiency, and build